And our tree cutting is going to begin as the boys wait.
Watch out, guys.
Get back. Oscar Saxon, look. Dad joined us for our Griswold tree cutting. Is this Griswold? Look, Saxon. Saxon, look at Mommy. We may have to axe it down.
I bet you I'm out of gas. Isn't
Probably.
that funny?
It's Griswold.
Yeah, I think that's out of gas. Good thing we brought this thing.
Now we're off to the snippers. Get back.
I think we'll do it.
What?
I think I'm going to have the other.
You want to go see if Butch has any gas?
No. I got gas now. Guys, really. Don't hook it right now. Let me
Get back.
try this again. If this hits you, it will cut you in half.
Said there is gas in or not?
Choking out. Woo! Yeehaw! Hold it, Dad. Yay!
It's not to work again.
Yay! Let go, Oscar.
I got it.
You need to bring your car over here so I can get it started.
Yeah, why don't you get the car and bring it here, hon?
Oh, y'all
Yay!
done good.
Everybody stand there and look and smile. Woo! This is our budget tree cutting.
Budget free.
Don't worry about that, buddy.
Thank God for Mom and Dad had given us the land to grow Christmas trees on. We may start selling Christmas trees.
You cut all these trees down.
I just want to try.